Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious pancakes. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in that description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, we're going to begin by sifting 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, so we're just going to mix it and set it to the side. Okay, so now we're going to be combining our wet ingredients, which is 1 3/4 cup of buttermilk, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend, and 5 tablespoons of melted butter. So we're just going to whisk it all together, just until you no longer see the eggs. Okay, so once everything is well mixed, we're going to add our dry ingredients and then just whisk it. Okay, so once we have our batter, we're going to allow it to rest for 15 minutes, and we're also going to preheat our comal. Alrighty guys, and after 15 minutes, we can now get ready to make our pancakes. So I have my comal set over medium-low heat. It is nice and hot. So now we're going to begin to add our batter, and depending on how big you want your pancakes, and it depends on how much batter you're going to use. I'm using half a cup. So we're just going to allow them to bubble up. Okay, so once our pancake bubbles up, we're going to flip it over and just allow that side to cook for about a minute. Okay, and after a minute, check the center of the pancake to make sure that it is fully cooked. There's no batter on my toothpick, so it is done. So we're just going to remove it from the griddle and repeat the process with the rest of our batter. Just garnish it with a little fruit. Going to add a little powdered sugar and of course our syrup. And now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make and everybody gets to enjoy them. Let me tell you that my kids look forward to the weekend so they can have their freshly made pancakes, you know, their whole breakfast. These pancakes right here, they just melt in your mouth. They're seriously the best. So hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make the most delicious pancakes. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.